Today's agenda ay Chato Truck Market. Say hi! Ito ang aking outfit. Yan naman ang outfit ng aking mommy. So guys, nakalabas na kami. And magte-train lang kami. Isang daming-damit Pero kasi yung pupuntahan namin is pilihan din ng mga damit, which is Chato Truck Market. Bakit ako? Wala pa. Nagtitingin na agad. Kagabi pa yan. Ituturo na agad siya. Hindi pa namin nahanap yung hotel namin. Ayos. So, ayan guys. Lakad muna kami ng very light. Wow! Guys, since ang aming hotel na nabook is around Pratunam area, super lapit namin sa Pratunam Market. Hindi ako naiiyang mag-vlog dito kasi wala namang nakakakilala sa amin. This for memories. Guys, ang daming mga tops dito. Pang mga baby girl. Ang kauna-unahang taong nagsabi sa akin, huwag muna tayong mamili ng damit, ay namimili na ng damit. Yan na siya, guys! Simula na talaga siya. Walking pa rin kami. Alam mo, ma-acquire natin dito yung 10,000 steps. Ano, kaya pa? So, mabuto na kami sa station. Tapos, bili muna kami ng hotel after. Kaya tayo? Oo. May kuminang kasi sa paningin ko, guys. Ayan na. Mga 20 minutes. So, dito na kami sa loob ng market, guys. Open. Pero wala pa masyadong tao. Guys, mag-ganyan kami. And 100 baht siya dito. Guys, 100 baht. Ayaw yata magpapas. Oh my god. It's so cute. This and this, please.
Okay. Spicy.
My pet.
ไม่เผ็ด
Yes.
นิดหน่อย
Little.
นิดหน่อย
Okay.
นิด
What is the best?
the best chili garlic
Oh. Pet? Little.
นิดหน่อย
Yeah.
okay use
Kapon ka?
อ่า
We decided to eat outside the mall for a more local experience, and the food was so good and the people were so nice. I really thought people were joking when they said to be ready for a lot of walking, and it really turns out that they weren't. But we weren't complaining. In return, we get to admire and see beautiful places here. While walking around, we saw Thailand's legendary tea brand. It is famous for its authentic Thai milk tea, and of course, we had to try it. We even got their soft serve ice cream.
Open ka. Hi guys! Umupo muna kami kasi Sobrang ngalay na yung paa namin. Guys, tignan nyo. Sa tapat kami na Central World. Tada! Sobrang init, guys.
This was just near our hotel, and we got lucky that we witnessed it passing. We also didn't know where it connects to, but yeah, it was really cool.